Hello everyone, Sunny here at ShowdownAuto.com. Today we've got a 1990 Chevrolet Silverado. Beautiful truck. First thing that jumps out to you is that killer red paint job. Nice, meaty, brand new tires. Those are Goodyear Wranglers. Authority. Factory wheel setup. Just tinted the windows this week to give it a little shade, summer look. Not seeing any rust on the body of this truck at all. As I go around the truck, when I see anything, I try to point it out so you get a good idea of what to expect here. Gibson chrome exhaust tip end added. Stickers look great. Got a nice bed liner in here. Sliding rear glass window, that's nice to have. Bumper here is showing a little age on it. Other side looks good. Sorry, it's lawn mowing day apparently. Up the sides of this truck, beautiful. This isn't one of those trucks that somebody did bad paint and body work on. This thing is straight as an arrow. Looks like it's even got a matching spare in there. Appears to be undercoated at some time. Again, cab corners, both of them in great condition. I just filled it up with gas and the gas gauge went to full. A lot of these Chevys are known for having gas gauges that don't work after some time. Again, beautiful black paint. Red paint. Get the VIN number in here. We got this from, there was one previous owner, and of course we're the dealer on it. Take a look on the inside real quick. Power windows, power locks, gonna have power steering, power disc brakes. This is a rear dump brakes. Got the factory sticker. Bottom of the doors look great. Bucket seats. Radio works. Air conditioning works. It blows nice and cold. That's why all the windows are up. Turn the air off. Different speeds. It's blowing ice cold. Got the upgraded little radio. It's a hot day. I got my drink today, but you can see here, odometer shows 104,000. There's your four-wheel drive. I'll open the hood here. Take a look underneath. Slight few flaws on the paint on the hood, just right in there. Don't know if you can even see it on the camera. You gotta look real close to be looking for it. You notice the engine bay is super clean. This truck obviously was not from Michigan where we're at. Nothing. One-year-old trucks don't look this good in Michigan. So clearly never driven in salt. At least nothing got in here. There is a trim tag you can look at with the fender walls red. There's your AC compressor. Hood liner. If you're looking for a nice truck, regular cab, short bed, I think this is the one. The front bumper, that piece peeling, I've seen that pretty common. I think that piece is replaceable, these aftermarket touch-up. And a little hood touch-up there. A lot of those rub off from the car covers, but fun to drive. I just drove it over here. We're gonna jump in real quick and take a test drive and get a couple minutes on video of that. showdownauto.com. Right, back in the truck. We're going to do real quick. We're going to jump in reverse. So here, reverse, no problems. Hit the brakes. Put it into overdrive. It's nice. This truck does have overdrive. You can see the gauges appear to be all working. Left blinker, right blinker. I gotta turn the AC up, it's getting a little warm in here. Oh. Stops nice, shifts nice. We'll take off here and then please call us. 586-791-0778 is our phone number. 586-791-0778. Here we are taking off. I'm gonna come to a stop here. Runs great, no problems. Thanks everyone, have a great day. Thanks for visiting our website.